हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रविदत्त लिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ डेली यूज़ हिंदी इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू इन्हेंस योर इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी as well as your English fluency. So don't forget to watch the video till end. Let's start with the first vocabulary word. The first word is hooligans. It means badmash. The next word is shirkar. It means kamchor. The next word is lazy. It means alsi. The next word is patience. It means dhairya. The next word is stubborn. It means jiddi. The next word is frequently. It means bar bar. The next word is besides. It means ke alawa. The next word is enemy. It means dushman. The next word is tenant. It means kirayadar. The next word is shopkeeper. It means dukandar. The next word is servant. It means nokar. The next word is nowadays. It means ajkal. The next word is moral. It means naitik. The next word is capable. It means kabil ya samarth. The next word is discipline. It means anushashan. The next word is discovery. It means khoj. The next word is effective. It means asardar ya prabhavi. The next word is equality. It means samanta. The next word is export. It means niryat karna. The next word is illegal. It means gair kanuni. The next word is logical. It means tarkik. The next word is visible. It means drashman. The next word is maximum. It means adhiktam. The next word is sincere. It means imandar. The next word is justice. It means nyay ya insaf. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video for more vocabulary words videos.